Yes,
100 po.
What happened to you? Why are you wearing that clothes? Huh? It's Pride Month. I need you. I don't want a straight again. Look at that. I don't like.
But mommy, I'm still
Get out of here, Boto.
I'm still gay. I'm
Get
still
out of here.
gay.
It's okay, ma. I'm still wearing boxers.
Stop, Ma. You're just doing this because it's payday.
Oh.
Reciprocate.
I go once in a lifetime, girl. Hug her. Oh.
Did you brush your teeth?
I.
Did you shower? You smell like garlic. Masakit ang bato ko, masakit ang ulo ko, namamanhid.
I.
Tangina ka, tamod ka lang nung araw eh. Di tamod din kayo dati. Thank you, Lolo.
I.
Ano nga ba yung damit na maluwag, yung maikli siya? Burnik ba yun?
No.
Burnik yung damit daw na ano ang tawag? Yung maikli tapos loose. Tunic! Ma, tunic!
Tunic yun. Hindi tunic, Paul. Tunic. Tunic.
Tunic eh, labanos yun
Eh,
eh.
nanonood ako ng ano?
Labanos. Turnips
Turnips yun, ma. Ang labanos, daikon.
Ano daikon?
Hindi, di ba ang labanos, daikon?
Ano nga ba turnip? Ayan, dito na rin ako.
Hindi, turnips iba. Ang labanos, daikon sa Ingles.
Oh.
So, hindi yung turnips. Iba yun, ibang
Oh.
turnip. Ano ang pinagsasabi nyo? Paano naging burnik ang dami? Eh, buhok yun sa puwet.
Ayun nga yung sinasabi niya. Eh, bakit yung mali
Eh,
nga
paano
yun
magiging burnik yun sa
eh?
Ingles?
Malay ko kung magkatunog lang sila.
Ano ba naman? Ayusin mo ang nanay mo.
Klase? Sino nagsabi sa'yo niyan?
Hindi nga, siyempre may mga magkakatulad ng tunog, oh.
Eh, paano nyo nalaman yan? Saan nyo nalaman yan?
Narinig ko yung ano, nag-model yung babae, sinabing ganun.
Ano sabi? Ano?
Burnik.
Mami, tunic yun, tunic. Tunic.
Hindi, tunig, ano yun eh, labanos yun eh.
Hindi nga labanos ang turnips. Turnips yung sinasabi nyo. Ang turnips, iba yun. Daikon ng labanos, diba? Yung malaking ano, daikon yun. Yung turnips, parang ano yun, diba? Yung parang leeks almost. Basta, iba yun.
Hindi, nahuhula lang kayo. Si Mario Joseph, minamali nyo ko,
Ay,
tanda ko
nanghula
niya.
eh. Ikaw nang ginawa mo. Nanghula ng tunog.
Buhok sa puwet, damit.
Burnik? Ba maganda nga yung burnik?
Ay.
Ay, ganun, no? Basta tama yung akin, yung sa inyo, labanos.
Ay, daikon nga ang labanos. Somebody really needs to put down their armpit because it stinks. Like, it really stinks over here. Ma, you also need to stop laughing because, like, the breath is, like, kicking. What?
DPI.
You're the hemorrhoid queen. You have an almoranas. Like your inverted anus. And then the chia pet here is laughing.
Sana piglet.
Cabbage patch.
Whatever.
What is that?
Pork ribs sinigang.
What?
Ang ina mo nung what? Pork ribs nga sinigang.
What is sinigang?
Ano sinigang?
Sinigang?
Eh, hindi na ako naaasal.
Is that a gang? Like a group of people is causing trouble?
Ano?
Sinigang. You said gang.
Putang ina mo, alin ka nga rito.
Why are you don't?
Papasukin ko ng batok mo.
I can't understand the word you're saying.
Bilan mo ko, Oliver, ha?
What are you saying?
Magang-maga mo ko bunibuisit. Hindi kita patitikin.
What is
dito.
maiga?
Me-
What is patekem? What is patekem?
Pataykem?
Yeah.
Utang na mo. Alin ka rito? Pataykem?
I'm not going there.
Ano ang nagawin
That's
niya?
so nasty. It's like grass.
Hindi ka makakatikim dito
It's
mamaya.
grass.
Anong grass? Leche
Yeah.
ka. Tumahimik ka,
Oh
Oliver, ha?
my goodness.
Kumakain
It
sa'yo.
smells like your face. Ew.
Anong inga? Ha?
Why is your teeth missing?
Bata ako nakita nakasabay sa elevator. Tapos tingnan niya ako, sabi niya sa akin, minimake facean ako. Bad trip ako noon eh, nung araw na yun eh. So ginawa ko, ginanon ko rin siya. Tapos ang ginawa ko, nilabas ko yung telepono ko. Eh ang ganda, di ba, Crocs? Sabi niya sa akin, ha? Sabi ko,
Ay, Paul, 44 ka na. Mag-ano ka sa bata?
So?
Patulang mo ilang taon yun.
ba't ako ginagawa? Sabi niya sa akin, Eh di, sabi ko rin.
Balita talaga niya.
You have this? You have this? You have this? Who's your daddy?
Mother, if you're invited at Coachella, what brands will sponsor your trip?
Bix, because this shit fixes everything, you know. Skyflakes, every Filipino mom's snack. Efficacent oil for my aches and pain. Green Cross, those people are disgusting. Febreze, there's a lot of people don't take shower every day. They smell like hot dog water. Cetaphil, because you have to moisturize. Sacred, this is like crack on your head. Max, this is the horse of the Philippines. Justice for Mano.
Goodness gracious! Ikaw yung nag-shoplift! You're the one who got caught stealing sa CCTV! My twin brother is a criminal!
Putangin na babae ako.
Ma, hindi yung linya mo.
Tangin na pinag-wig niyo pa ako. Anong palagay niyo sa akin,
Ano
bakla?
ba yan? Halika na, gawin na natin ulit-ulitin mo.
Ayoko na.
Sige na.
Ayoko na.
ito lang naman eh.
Oo nga, halika na, bilis.
Mahirap isuot ito.
Goodness gracious! Go na!
Bilis! Ano?
Ayusin mo, ulitin mo ulit.
Sabihin mo, talk about your liver and kidney.
Oh.
Yung kidney mo.
Yung kidney ko matatanggal na, oh. The giant watermelon on the floor.
Oh my God.
I hope the hippo doesn't eat me.
Oh!
At least I'm not a whale.
Oh shit!
Okay, Ursula.
Keep quiet, bottom. The hawk is blocking the TV.
Oh my God.
Wow, Snorlax can talk.
Everything big but the ass.
Oh shit!
No, you have something here.
Oh,
Oh, no, you're porchin.
Natamod ka lang nung araw, ha? The child I should have swallowed.
Well, you look like you inhaled and never exhaled.
Live action Maui.
Mrs. Pops.
Putang ina ka. Ha? You're telling that to your mother? Ha?
Ay, Pumba. What's up, Tabo?
Okay, siya mo.
Feels very tall, bitch. Oh, see? Cannot stand, cannot stand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There's a cow walking in 2 feet.
At least I don't smell like a goat.
Ay!
Putang ina kami, almoranas ka. Foul! Foul!
Ma! I heard you and somebody else talking on the phone earlier.
Eh, ano ngayon?
And I'm gonna need you to keep me and Apple's name out of your mouth.
Yes.
Like, zip it.
Putang ina, ano daw tanggalin ko sa bibig ko? Alam niyo kung ano tinanggal ko sa bibig ko?
Oh, what?
Yung titi ng ama niyo.
Ay!
Dahil kung hindi ko tinanggal yan, nandito ba kayo ngayon? Nilulong ko na lang sana kayo. Putang ina niyo.
What is happening?
Eat some more, baby.
Ew! I have cash.
Oh, you have cash. There's a cow walking in 2 feet.
Ay!
At least I don't smell like a goat.
Ay!
Putang ina kami, almoranas ka. Foul! Foul! The child I should have swallowed.
Well, you look like you inhaled and never exhaled.
Live action Maui.
Mrs. Pops.
Putang ina ka. Ha? You're telling that to your mother? Ha?
Apple, what would you do if you see somebody beating me up? Like they're slapping me around, tas talagang binubugbog ako. I-defend mo ba ako?
Oo, tutulak ko rin siya. Tapos
Oo.
sabihin ko sa kanya, good job! Great job!
Sige, tawa pa! Puro balakubak!
Uy, gabi. Ice cream?
Ooh, I want some too.
That is not ice cream.
What do you mean this is ube? Ice cream. I just got this.
That is our dinner.
What?
Why?
That is our dinner.
This is ice cream. Naku!
Keep it there.
Oh my God.
I will cook it.
Why did you put here?
That is the container.
It's the ice cream.
Bottom ate it last night.
I didn't eat anything! Oh my god. Why are you even touching that carrot?
This is mine. Your father's birthday. There's a giant watermelon on the floor.
Oh my god.
I hope the hippo doesn't eat me.
Oh!
At least I'm not a whale.
Oh shit!
Okay, Ursula.
Keep quiet, bottom.
Can you speak to me? But you can only speak in English. No
Okay,
Filipino
Pastor.
language or any Tagalog, okay?
Pastor.
Your accent's a little too thick sometimes. I can understand, so you have to fix it a little bit, okay?
Tika ng tikputang ina kayo.
you just did it!
Tangina mo.
See, oh my God, you're ruining it. Come on!
Ano ba talaga
Get yourself together, Lulu. Dang!
Tangina. Sasampalin kita.
Hey, you can't follow the directions. What the hell is wrong with you? Brain's a little slow now. You should stimulate it.
Putang ina mo, anong stimulate?
See, you can't follow rules.
What
You
is-
should
what do you mean?
focus. You need to hone your energy. You got pregnant a little too early. Spread that leg. Little
Putang
too-
ina ka. No, not right away.
But you did spread your legs, right?
Of course. Putang ina mo. May asawa ako, bakit hindi ako mag-spread?
You speak English only. That's a challenge.
It's very hard to think of my English.
You know that saying that no child left behind?
Oh, bakit? Nainiwan ba ako?
You might have been a child left behind because, you know, the English is not there.
Tadong to. The English is here. Ng beach to.
Wanna go to like the beach, like the ocean?
No, utang ina ka. Tagalog. O, naintindihan mo? Yan,
I don't
Susan.
understand.
Masasampalin kita,
I
leche
don't
ka.
under- Mother, before you go to sleep, what is something you'll be carrying to 2026 from 2025?
My weight. Alis yan. Alis.
Mother!
Utang ina naman. Tigilan mo yung kakakalitan mo.
Are you
Ayan na,
okay?
oh. Ay,
Stop!
putang ina naman kagaw yan eh. Ano ba yan? Mikrobyo yan eh. Ang ina naman eh. Ipat pa sa akin yan eh. Dalawa na tayo. Utang. Nagugat ka ba? Oh. Ako mabibingi ako. Utang ina ka talaga, hayop ka.
Ano gusto niyo? Blower to, ma!
Dahan-dahanin mo, masyadong mainit.
Init na walang init to. Naka-neutral.
Eh, sige sa'yo ko itapat yan, malilis yun ang itlog mo. Ilalagay mo sa tenga ko, sinabi siya mabibingi ko. Lisan mo kasi, magluluto.
Anong gusto mo?
Bakit mukha ako?
Napatulong ka sa akin, tapos sinisigawan mo ako.
Dahan-dahanin mo kasi. Ina para ka lumalapongga ng puwet eh. Talagang pakundangan, padaskul-daskul ka. Sasampalin kita, Oliver.
Papatulong ka kasi, tapos sasabihin mo sa akin, wag kong
Tingnan
gawin.
mo ba naman ang itsura ko? Tingnan mo.
Hindi pa ako tapos.
Nipis ng buhok ko, kumakablower.
Manipis-nipis ang buhok nyo kasi napapanot ka na. Wala akong magagawa sa panot nyo.
Patilya pa, hindi naman
Wala
ako
akong magagawa sa patilya mo. Buhok mo yan.
kapalakpak dito. Iplat mo. O, tingnan mo talaga tinatapat mo eh. O yan, tama na yan.
Worst client ever. Wala akong bayaran. Bayaran nyo lang yung therapy ko sa ano ko.
Talaga hindi kita babayaran. Putang ina, ang ganda. Anaconda, an intellectual read by Nicki Minor. This dude named Michael used to ride motorcycle. It's bigger than a tower. I ain't talking about apples. Reed County Anaconda. Let me pray with his ride. Cookie put his bat too. Now he calling me Niquil. Now that long to bang bang, I let him hit it. Cause the hang all in the salad like his name. And when he done, I'll make them buy me Balmort. I'm on some dumb shit. Siri! Hello, Siri!
That's Alexa! Alexa! Alexa!
Alexa, Alexandra! I don't know. Siri!
Ma!
This is for Rachel, an intellectual reading. This is for Rachel, you big fat, white, nasty, smelling fat. Bitch, why you took me off the motherfucking schedule with your tripping dirty white faces? Ass, you big fat bitch. Lumpa body ass bitch. I'm coming outside and I'm going to beat the fuck out of you bitch. That's all.
Yes, queen!
What?
What is your body count?
1,000.
What?
1,000